if you say so if your pool is say roughly 19,000 gallons, the IC20 will do you fine because technically it's supposed to be good for up to 20,000 gallons. However, if you step it up and you go with say an IC40, then you don't have to run your salt system as much, because the whole idea behind the calculations is if you run your pump 24/7, then the IC20 should give you enough chlorine to, you know, basically keep you at a good residual level. So it's better to kind of oversize it as opposed to undersize it. And then what happens is after you install it, you set the setting of how often you want it to be generating chlorine. So with your size, and especially if it's a pool that gets used a lot, if you run an IC20, then there's a chance that you have to run the cell at 100%, so whenever the pump's running, it's generating chlorine. If you were to step it up to say an IC40, you might be able to tone it down to less than 50%, all depending, just so that you're not always constantly needing to generate chlorine. And when you're not running your system all the time, then you don't always have, then your pH doesn't go out of whack as much. You know, you're not running a constant electrolysis in it. So in general, my feeling is it's better to oversize as opposed to get just barely enough.